Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the Sturgeon Creek Pathway in Winnipeg, Manitoba. This multi-use trail follows the route of Sturgeon Creek, offering a quiet and scenic corridor through the western part of the city. It is part of Winnipeg's larger active transportation network, connecting neighborhoods, parks, and green spaces while providing a safe route for cycling and walking. Sturgeon Creek itself is a tributary of the Assiniboine River. The creek flows southward through residential and natural areas before joining the river, and its path has shaped the surrounding landscape for generations. The name sturgeon reflects the fish that were once common in these waters, pointing to the creek's importance in earlier ecosystems and local history. The pathway runs through several suburban neighborhoods, offering a mix of urban and natural scenery. Riders will pass through areas like St. James and Westwood, where homes, schools, and parks are closely connected to the trail. This makes the pathway both a recreational route and a practical commuting option for residents. One of the defining features of the Sturgeon Creek Pathway is its green space. The trail is often lined with trees, open grassy areas, and sections of natural vegetation. In many places, the creek runs quietly alongside the path, creating a calm setting that feels removed from the nearby streets and traffic. The pathway is designed to be accessible for a wide range of users. It is generally paved and well maintained, making it suitable for cyclists, walkers, and families. Benches and rest areas can be found along the route, allowing visitors to pause and enjoy the surroundings. The gentle terrain also makes it an easy ride for most skill levels. As we move along the trail, you may notice how it connects to other parts of Winnipeg's trail system. These connections allow for longer rides and broader exploration of the city without relying on major roads. The network continues to expand over time, reflecting Winnipeg's investment in active transportation and outdoor recreation. Wildlife is another part of the experience along Sturgeon Creek. Birds, small mammals, and other species can often be seen in the natural areas along the water. These pockets of habitat are important within the city, offering a reminder of the region's original landscape and biodiversity. The Sturgeon Creek Pathway also reflects how Winnipeg integrates nature into its urban planning. By preserving the creek corridor and building trails alongside it, the city has created a space that serves both environmental and recreational purposes. It is a practical example of how natural features can shape modern infrastructure. Winnipeg is the capital of Manitoba and sits near the geographic center of North America. It is located at the meeting point of the Red River and the Assiniboine River, a historic crossroads that has shaped the city's development for thousands of years. Indigenous peoples lived and traded here long before European arrival, making this one of the oldest continuously used meeting places on the continent. That meeting place is now known as the Forks, one of Winnipeg's top attractions. For over 6,000 years, it served as a gathering site for trade and culture. Today, it has been redeveloped into a public space with markets, restaurants, walking paths, and historical exhibits, blending the past with modern city life. Winnipeg became an important transportation and economic hub in the late 1800s, especially after the arrival of the railway. Its location made it a gateway to Western Canada, attracting immigrants and businesses. By the early 1900s, it had grown into one of the country's largest and most influential cities, known for its grain trade and financial institutions. The city is also known for its cultural depth. It is home to major institutions like the Canadian Museum for Human Rights, the Winnipeg Art Gallery, and a strong performing arts scene. Festivals play a big role here as well, including Folklorama, which celebrates the city's diverse cultural communities, and Festival du Voyageur, which highlights its French-Canadian heritage. Winnipeg's climate is one of its defining features. Winters are long and cold, with temperatures often dropping well below freezing, while summers are warm and sunny. This contrast shapes daily life, from skating on frozen rivers in winter to enjoying outdoor patios and parks in summer. The city embraces these extremes, turning them into part of its identity. Winnipeg is also known for its strong neighborhood character, where each area has its own identity and history. Districts like Exchange District feature well-preserved early 20th century architecture and reflect the city's boom years as a commercial center. In contrast, areas such as Street, Boniface highlight the city's deep French heritage with bilingual services, historic churches, and cultural institutions that continue to shape Winnipeg's identity today. Another defining feature of Winnipeg is its connection to the surrounding prairie landscape. The city is relatively flat, with wide skies and long sightlines that change dramatically with the seasons. Agriculture plays a major role in the region's economy, and Winnipeg remains a key service and distribution center for Manitoba and much of central Canada. Despite its urban growth, it still feels closely tied to the land around it, offering visitors a mix of city life and open space that is distinctly prairie Canadian. Today, Winnipeg is a city of about 800,000 people, known for its affordability, strong sense of community, and mix of urban and natural spaces. Whether exploring historic sites, relaxing in parks, or walking along the rivers, visitors get a clear sense of a city that is both grounded in history and still evolving. Thanks for watching!